But there's more. In 2021, a very similar object showed up in
God
Switzerland.
bless you. Salute!
Whatever this thing is, it seems to hover in the same place for a while. Then it
God
travels
bless
over
you.
mountains and disappears. To this day,
God
no one
bless
knows
the
what this
Jew.
is, and what's most
God
intriguing
bless the
is that many
JuJu.
internet
God
users
bless
state
my
they saw something similar in Mexico and many other
JuJu.
places. And I don't